Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the vibrant world of Mardi Gras with our 144-piece set of purple bead necklaces. Perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any celebration. These meticulously crafted plastic bead necklaces are designed for premium durability, ensuring they withstand the test of time and are ideal for prolonged use. With a universal 33-inch length, these versatile accessories effortlessly suit everyone, making them perfect for sharing the joy with friends and partners. Whether you're setting the stage for an enchanting ambiance or looking to elevate the festive spirit, our bead party supplies offer a variety of colors that add charm to any event. Designed to cater to your needs during Mardi Gras, homecoming games, parades, parties, and celebrations, these beads are your go-to for extensive utility. So, get ready to transform any gathering into a memorable occasion with these captivating purple bead necklaces. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting product showcases. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.